Dear students, today we are going to discuss about 8th GK chapter 21 Smart Thinking. In this chapter we have to study the sums. First sum is Dhansha's daughter Radhika needs to be picked up from school every day. Dhansha has arranged for the different person to pick her from school on each day. She has devised a separate password for each day to ensure that Radhika goes with the correct person. If the password for Monday is TRM16 and that the for Wednesday is NDW39, what will be the password for Friday? The answer is SIF56. The Friday is mentioned with the F letter. Okay. The second question is, a shopkeeper sells chocolates with golden wrappers for ₹1 each. When Abbas goes to shop, the shopkeeper tells him that he can exchange 3 wrappers for a chocolate. Abbas has ₹50 in his wallet. How many chocolates is he able to get? The answer is 22 chocolates. The next question is, Suresh and Dinesh and Magesh have a contest to see who bikes the most distance. Together, Suresh and Dinesh bike 21 kilometers. The combined total for Suresh and Mahesh is 90. Together, Magesh and Dinesh ride 22 kilometers. Who is a winner? Dinesh is a winner. The next question is, 3 painters can complete a painting job in 24 days. If 12 more painters join a team 9 days after work has begun, how many days would be required to complete the job? Within 3 days. The answer is 3 days. The next task or chapter is Island. Island, most famous island in India. The first one is Umanda. Umanda is a world. Totally there are 1200 islands in India. There are some famous ones are given in your textbook. The first one is Umanda is the world's smallest inhabited river island. It lies in the Brahmaputra river in Guwahati, Assam. The British used to call it the Peacock Island because of its resemblance to the national bird. The Brahmaputra is also home to the world's largest river island. Next, Majuli is also in Assam. However, it has lost much of its area to erosion by the river. The third one, Barren Island, is in the Andaman Sea, has India's only active volcano, the barren volcano. Next, Sriharikota. Sriharikota, which lies off the coast of Andhra Pradesh, is a base of Satish Dhawan Space Center, which is India's primary rocket launching center. Next one, Cattle Island. The Cattle Island in Hirakud Reservoir in Odisha is home to cattle left behind by villagers who were displaced by building of the Hirakud Dam. As a result of their isolation, the cattle on the island turned wild over time. The next island is the North Sentinel Island. The North Sentinel Island in the Andaman in the Bay of Bengal is home to Sentinelese, as an isolated tribe that has always rejected contact with outsiders. The next island, Dr. Abdul Kalam Island, off the coast of Odisha, houses the integrated test range missile testing facility. Next, Master Columns. Diver in Goa. Then few examples are given in your textbook. Bet Dwarka, Gujarat. Unora Island, Kerala. Pamban Island, Tamil Nadu. Manta, Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. This is the name of island. It is located in a particular places. Next task is surviving the odd one. Surviving means we can suit the environment, the body temperature, and based on an organ. Body temperature and based on an organ to suit the environment, to adapt the suitable environment. Survival means you can adapt the environment. A few examples are given in your textbook. Some animals are adapted extremely hot. Some animals are adapted in a cold region. Few examples are given in your textbook. The first one is a thorny devil. The thorny devil, which lives in the deserts of Central Asia, has spines all over its body. The spines not only keep away predators but also supply water to the lizard. When the temperature drops at night, dew forms and condenses on the spines. The spines have grooves that channels the condensed water to the lizard's mouth. This animal is adapted for an environment by the spiny thorns. These thorns are adapted and spines are adapted with a dry environment. So it can adapt within a hot area, hot temperature. Okay, the second one is water holding frog. Water holding frog of the Australian desert can stay without water for months. When it rains, it comes out of its underground home and soak in as much water as possible into its body. It then returns to its burrow. When it grows a skin which helps it retain all the absorbed moisture. All the frogs are adapted to live in a land and water surface, but this water holding frog only adapted only in a dry surface, only terrestrial life. They can adapt for a desert life. Okay, the next one is Namak sandgrouse. It is a bird. The Namak sangros lives in Africa's Nim Desert. The birds squat in a watering hole and soak up water in sponge-like feathers on its breast. Then it flies its nest where its thirsty chicks suck eagerly at its plumage. Next, fennec fox. The fennec fox of the Sahara Desert is a smallest species of fox, but with the largest ears. They measure almost half its body length. The ears have a network of tiny blood vessels immediately under the skin which radiate body heat and keep the fox cool in the shearing daytime heat. Next one, the karakul. Karakul is a sheep. The karakul is a sheep found in a desert of Central Asia. Is called the fat-tailed sheep. It stores the fat at the base of its broad, flat tail. The fat reserves it is utilized in times of drought or in extreme low foliage condition. The next one is the Cape ground squirrel. The Cape ground squirrel found in the Kalahari Desert uses its bushy tail as an umbrella, erecting it over the head and angling it into just right position needed to keep its body in shadows. Next one. The yak is a species of Asian ox found at high altitude of the Himalayas and Tibet. It can survive temperature as low as minus 4 degrees Celsius because of its thick coat. Thick coat means outer surface of the skin. It is covered within a hair and large lungs and the heart. It also has a high red blood cell counting which increases its body capacity to transport oxygen through the blood. Next one, polar bear. Polar bear is a marine mammal which lives within an Arctic Circle. It has 2 layers of fur and an underlying extra thick layer of fat which not only helps insulate the body but also retain body heat. The polar bear can retain virtually all its body heat even at sub-zero temperatures. The next one, penguins. The penguins of Antarctica are able to keep warm because they have a thick layer of fat covered by a dense layer of soft down feathers. On the top that are oily feathers that never get wet. All this keep the penguins so warm that they sometimes fluffy out their feathers to release some trapped heat in order to cool down. The next one is the ice fish. The ice fish lives in the southern ocean off the coast of Antarctica. It has antifreeze proteins in its body, the blood and blood fluids to prevent the formation of blood and ice crystals in the blood and the other body fluids. The next chapter is chapter 24, Country quiz. Some famous mountain or located places are given. Some mountains are given in your chapter. The first one, this country is famous for its perfume and wine. The famous perfumes or wines are prepared in some areas, places. France is a famous country, is famous for a perfume and wine. It is home to 8 of the tallest mountain peak in the world. 8 tallest mountain peak is also known as Nepal. Next, it is the land of prestigious Nobel Prize. Sweden. Sweden is a prestigious Nobel Prize. The next one, the Southeast Asian country whose symbol is Merlin. Singapore. Singapore is an correct answer. Fifth one, the great explorer Vasco da Gama belonged to this country, Portugal. Next one, the outermost tip of the Africa continent lies in the country. The answer is South Africa. Next one, the Great Barrier Reef is one of its many natural wonders. Answer is Australia. The land of Leo Tolstoy and Anton Chekhov in Russia. Next one, the country gave the world delicious black forest cake. Germany. The Southern America country whose capital is Buenos Aires, Argentina. Next one, the birthplace of the renowned composer Mozart, Austria is the correct answer. The art of paper holding called origami originated here. Answer is Japan. The next chapter is chapter 25, Dancing Dolls and Puppet Show. You know that puppet show means, puppet show is an ancient folk art in all over the world. Some puppet shows are given. So this chapter is Dancing Dolls. The first one, marionettes or string puppets are manipulated from above by the strings attached with the different parts of a puppet. By adding more strings, a skillful puppeteer can make a marionette seems almost alive. Next, rod puppets. Rod puppets are operated by the rod or sticks that run through the body of a puppet. They are widely used in China and Indonesia. Next, shadow puppet. In the integrate, flat figures are made from a goat or buffalo hide. They are held between translucent screen and the sources of light, such as a way that audience gets to see the only in a shadows. The shadow puppetry is popular in Indonesia. Next, in Burn Rock is a traditional puppet theatre of Japan. The puppeteer maneuvers human-like puppets with movable limbs, mouth and eyes to produce lifelike actions and facial expressions. Next one, water puppetry is unique to Vietnam. The puppeteers stand chest deep in a pool of water and perform. Next one, Inland's Bunch and Judy. It is a traditional puppet show which began in 17th century in the popular even today. Okay students, thank you.